Did you get invited to a Nova whiteboard? Nova is a collaborative space that helps manage the collaborative process and holds stakeholders accountable. If you have been invited to a whiteboard session, you may be asked to create an account, or maybe you just have to add your name. If you have to create an account, it will help you organize your agenda and ensure you have access to your work for future reference. The Nova whiteboard looks very similar to other digital whiteboards, but with additional some productivity features. Nova whiteboards have due dates to ensure decisions are made on time, and they hold previous decisions in the space to give you context and keep you informed. Some whiteboards are even recurring and include links to previous conversations and work, maintaining a record of past decisions and meetings. If this is your first time using Nova's whiteboard, the platform will guide you through the tips to make sure you know how it works. It will look like this. It should help you understand the basics. You can skip the tutorial if you are familiar with it or watch a video for guidance. To move around the whiteboard, use this feature. Click on the whiteboard as if you are climbing a wall, something like this. Zoom in and out of the whiteboard to view all the sections inside the whiteboard. Use these buttons, for example, or even this other option. To select objects in the whiteboard or edit a text, you have to use this functionality. Select the item in the whiteboard like this. Now you can move it, react to it, or even delete the item. Keep in mind that not all items are always selectable. Try using the basic functionalities for a few minutes to get familiar with them. You can add text or sticky notes by clicking on them and typing. If you need more space, you can make the sticky note bigger. You can also vote on and choose a sticky note by selecting it and clicking the thumbs up option. You can change colors to create groups, such as red sticky notes for urgent tasks and blue for small tasks. You can turn sticky notes into tasks or add tasks directly. Tasks look like this. Additionally, you can drag and drop images and documents just like this and change their size and move them to the back. Sometimes the whiteboard will have instructions and tips to guide you. You follow the steps and mark them completed as you make progress. This will help the person leading the session know what is left to do and how everyone is collaborating. Here, the resources section. You can find links and key insights. Previous conclusions and decisions are also available to help you make better decisions now. Additionally, you have access to a chat feature where you can ask questions. Remember to check if the whiteboard has a due date. To ensure you don't forget, you can add it to your calendar. If you have questions, please contact the person or organization that invited you to collaborate using a Nova whiteboard. Using whiteboards will open up new opportunities for collaboration, and more teams are using digital whiteboards. Learning to use them is a valuable skill, and while the first time may seem challenging, you will feel more comfortable with practice. Don't be afraid to ask for help while you are learning.